I used to be giving myself panic attacks on the daily. Hi, it's Dina. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my clean girl makeup tutorial. I'm a soft girly at heart. I tried the full glam. I thought it was giving, but my face was literally screaming to tell me stop. So I wanted to share my current beauty routine. It's quite simple. There's only a few products that I use. Recently, I added some Essence products into my makeup routine. Okay, so here I'm using the L'Oreal Revitalift Total Night Cream to moisturize and hydrate my skin. I use the night cream to prep my face as its consistency is tacky, and when applied it tightens my face, giving me that snatched look. I believe it's due to the Crystal Marine Extract Oil that's in this product. It increases the skin's natural cell renewal, providing 24-hour hydration, in which I love as it allows my makeup to blend easily and keep my face hydrated all day. So I'm gonna go in with the Essence Lip Cheek Blush Stick. Okay, so I never knew I needed this until I swatched it at the store. I fell in love with the color and its consistency. This blush is very creamy, y'all, as you can see, and it makes it easy to blend as well. I love the application so much that I went a little bit overboard, okay? But we fixed it though, because again, it's easy to blend. I ended up looking like an Oompa Loompa, but again, we fixed it. I recommend the splash. Go in with my Lancome. I'm so upset they don't have this on their own. What I meant by that is that Lancome does not have the single palette form of this concealer. I checked and I could not find one. They only come in sticks or liquids. This was actually part of the Visionaire foundation, in which I loved. If there's anything similar to this, please help a girl out by dropping suggestions in the comments. I tend to reach for my concealer a lot more nowadays, as it is very lightweight but has exceptional coverage. It kind of has been like a replacement for my foundation. This concealer is a perfect match for my skin and it blends so easily. And I don't know, but I feel like the minute I put it on, it melts into my face and it looks like skin. Like I can take my makeup off and I don't scream at how different I look. Because girl, before, I used to be giving myself panic attacks on the daily. Just like that, guys. So we take a moment. Now I go in with my Sleek Loose Powder in Banana. I transferred it into this container because the original just kept spilling everywhere. Even now, it's still spilling everywhere. In the summer and autumn, I like to go with a more warmer color, but in the winter, I like to go with the translucent powder. I'm gonna go in with my powder puff. I need to get a new powder puff. Mine is literally on its last limbs and I just cleaned it as well. So then I go in with the powder. This powder is literally amazing. It leaves no creases, but I feel like my moisturizer that I used helps prevent creasing in that area. But you see how I don't use too much? I literally get some out the pot and then tap it the back of my hand and then press it on. I don't leave it to like set or bake. I don't do that. I literally just pat it in and then hope for the best. And it works every time. Like my makeup stays on all day. I feel like to achieve this whole clean girl makeup, no makeup look, less is literally more. So then I set my face in the areas that are most oily. So that would be around my nose, my eyelids, a little bit on my chin, and then on top of my T-zone. Now we're going in with my bronzing powder from Essence. This is a new addition to my makeup routine. I literally love this so much because it brings color back into my face, and I literally apply it where I did not add the setting powder, and oh, it's just so nice. And it smells like bananas, and I hate bananas, but with this I'll make do. It's so good. You can still see undertones of blush, but I just like my blush to pop. Now we're gonna go in with the Rosy Glow by Dior, and we're just gonna pop some color back into the face. Like I said, I am a blush girly for life. I was back then and I'm still a blush girly now, and it's never going to change, period. I love this blush. It's amazing. Dior really did their thing. I want to get more colors, but there's just something about this piggy blush look. I am in love with this blush, so I apply it literally everywhere. I apply it on my nose, my cheeks obviously. I love applying blush on my eyelids and under my eye, as it just makes me feel like I'm alive. And like if I have eye bags, I do not care. I will literally highlight them even more. It's just something about looking alive again, like I said. And clean girl makeup for me is essentially looking like me when I wake up, but just better, you know? Now we're gonna move on to mascara. I use the Chanel mascara. If you're looking to invest in a mascara, the Chanel. But then I can also recommend you anything L'Oreal, very good. Anything Lancome, very good. Okay, these are for my girlies who do not like wearing lash extensions. If you have them, put them away, okay? Throw them away if you're eyeing them and you think about wearing them for your next getaway or your next trip. Throw them in the bin, okay? Embrace your natural eyeballs. I know you look good with your natural eyeballs. Invest in a good mascara and you are ready to go. You are set, because you know damn well you be looking crazy in those photos. But with your natural lashes, you are looking exceptional. You're looking mwah. Don't let nobody tell you that you are looking like a naked little rat, because you're not. Because I know damn well people used to tell me all of that, and people are like, oh, but Dina, you're a baddie, you need to wear lashes. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I am a baddie, I need to wear lashes, but it just made me look crazy every time I was in a photo. Anyways, yeah, invest in a good mascara and you're ready to go. Now I am outlining my lips with a dark lip liner. You can literally find this in any African store. Then I like to go in with my Marc by Avon lipstick. This is literally amazing. I put a little bit on my lips and then I blend it in with my lip liner. Look at how juicy my lips look. And then I go in with my lip gloss. This is from Essence as well. It's so nice and it doesn't leave those patchy little irritating things on my lips. Then I go in with my Kiko highlighter. I got this like 2 Christmases ago and it's literally amazing. Then I set my face with the Studio London and voila. I love doing my makeup like this as it enhances every part of my features nicely. So yeah, this is my clean girl makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe, and catch you in my next video. Bye.